This is the developer's kit for our high-precision M3FS focus module for OEM system designers. It's a miniature focus system that you can integrate into your handheld, portable, and mobile devices. This all-in-one focus solution has all control electronics integrated into the module. There's no external control board. It runs on 3.3 volt input and simple high-level motion commands from your image processor over the standard serial interface. The newer M3FS is a major upgrade to our original M3F focus module, especially for dynamic camera applications. It has a 3 times improvement in the lens tilt and accuracy, can move larger lenses, and has superior dynamic stability with no lateral movement of the lens even as your camera moves, accelerates, and changes orientation. This means you'll get sharp, accurate images with no pixel shift. The developer's kit includes a quick start guide, an M3FS module, a lens adapter, a USB adapter, new scale pathway software for evaluation, and a flex cable and USB extension cable. The module accepts a standard M16 threaded lens directly, and the kit includes an adapter for an M12 lens. To use an M12 lens, first thread the lens adapter into the bottom of the module, and then insert your M12 lens. If you have an M16 lens, you won't be using the adapter. Next, install the new scale pathway software, then connect the flex cable to the module and connect the module to your PC using the USB adapter. You can easily evaluate the focus module motion using the buttons and controls in the graphical user interface. The M3FS is backward compatible with the original M3F, having compatible mounting patterns and identical electrical and software interfaces. The M3FS gets its accuracy and dynamic stability from its machined anodized aluminum construction and an innovative zero-clearance ball bearing lens guide system. The original M3F focus module remains an economical option for less dynamic applications. Like all M3 systems, the focus module is a complete solution with everything built right into the module. A precision piezoelectric squiggle micromotor, position sensors, and all drive electronics for closed-loop motion. These all-in-one focus modules help you transform your large, expensive imaging systems into high-performance handheld, portable, and mobile devices. Visit our website to learn more.